Okay, does everybody remember the chicken panini that I made? Well, this is a recipe I came up with just using the leftovers. And it's basically a chicken bacon pesto. So you want to get about a pound of the leftover chicken, and you want to cut it up into fairly small little pieces like this. They can be smaller if you like, doesn't really matter. And also make sure you chop the bacon. And then get about a pound of rigatoni in a pot of boiling salted water. Okay, get your rigatoni in a bowl, squirt it with just a little oil, and you want to stir it around just so it can get, nicely coated. Put the pesto in the bowl. You'll need about 3/4 of a jar, about 4 strips of chopped bacon, I think that's what I used, and, that chicken I cut up earlier. And then you just want to stir everything until everything gets all nice and well incorporated. And that's it. Serve. Perfect use for leftovers.